Hello, this is a Ventis MX4 and I'm going to show you how to configure the BT which is bump test for this gas tester. So to configure, let's enter it. First you have to wait for the loading page to pass. Okay. Give it a few seconds. Okay, at the countdown page, you have to press both buttons to activate the configuration page for 3 seconds. So when you reach this page, you're in the configuration page. Press the select button until you see BT. So here is our BT and currently 0, which means it's locked in lock position. To enable it, you just press the enter button and until you see 1, and then you press select. Now you see that the lock symbol is gone, which means the BT is activated. So to go back to the original page, you press both buttons 3 seconds. 2, 3. So now it show you the normal mode, which when you look at the back, you see there's a BT, and in this page you can do the bump test.